Today's a juicy one, guys. We're talking about insurance policies and roof issues in Colorado in 2024. Stay tuned. We're going to talk all about this. Hey guys, I'm James Dean, team leader of the James Dean Mountain Homes team. Thank you so much for watching these videos. Just really quick before we get into the meat of this video, I just wanted to make sure if you haven't done so already, hit that subscription button down below, hit that notification bell. That keeps you updated on all the new videos that we have coming out weekly. We've got several that come out each week on this channel, so please stay up to date with that. Also, if you've got any questions whatsoever that are real estate related or just in the community, please don't hesitate to reach out to us and give us a call. You can either call us at 719-266-2725. You can text us to that number as well, or you can email us at info@jdmret.net. Please, whatever you got to do to get those questions to us, please ask. We're here to help. We're here to provide value to you and helping you make informed decisions, whether you're looking to buy or sell real estate or just typical questions for the community out here. We are local experts in this area and we love this area. So please reach out to us, and we hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, so today, guys, we're talking specifically about insurance policies and roof issues here in Colorado. So as many of you are probably very aware, insurance has become this hot topic, specifically in California and Florida, and it has reached its way to Colorado as well. Now, everything rides in waves, and usually the insurance adjustments ride on the backside of a lot of waves. So a lot of what we saw that we're not really focusing on in this video, but we did see a lot of movement and changes in insurance premiums because of fire risk, specifically here in the Teller County or in the Pikes Peak area up in the mountains, because of a couple of years ago when we had an extremely dry and an extremely windy year with lots of fires that happened up here. We didn't lose a single residential structure at all. We have fantastic emergency services that are out there taking care of us whenever these things happen. It always blows my mind how amazing the individuals we have out there are, both volunteer and paid for assets. It's just fantastic. Of course, insurance adjusters and insurance companies get really concerned about their risk portfolios on that. So they started raising prices due to that, and they started rejudging and recalculating fire risk because of that. But today specifically, we're talking about roofing and what that looks like here in Colorado currently. Now, there's been a big debacle that's kind of happened and come down from last year that the legislature voted in that basically has completely really enforced what a lot of insurance companies are already moving towards anyways. But typically a roof in Colorado, it could be a roof that's in perfect condition. If it is over 10 years old, they have moved it from replacement cost value to actual cost value. Now, what does that mean to you as a homeowner? Well, it can mean several things. The first thing you need to know and understand is if your mortgage company requires you to have full replacement cost value, that could, in fact, cause major issues with your mortgage company. Now, there's different ways that can be combated. You could look at changing insurance companies. You could look at paying a higher premium, sometimes twice as much what the annual premium is, just to switch it back to full replacement cost value. Some insurance companies won't even do that instead of it going down to actual cost value. Now, let me walk you through what these two terms mean. So full replacement cost value means it doesn't matter how old the roof is, the insurance company is going to replace the entire cost of the roof. So your roof could be 20 years old, hail comes in, and they replace the entire roof minus your deductible for full replacement cost value. Actual cash value or actual cost value on there is going to be the depreciated value of the roof. So if you've got a 30-year roof that's 10 years old, it's lost 33% of its value, and that 66 and a half, however you want to get to it with the percentages, those 2/3 that are still there, the insurance company is only going to pay that amount minus the deductible on there. Now, there's other different ways it can be worked through. So if you're an insurance person out there and you know all this stuff, I'm not giving a full-on insurance class. All I'm doing is educating homeowners so they know how to ask the right questions when the time comes for looking at their insurance policies and adjusting or looking to see what they've got actual coverage for. Now, I've heard stories from different brokers as we've kind of gone through some of the things that have happened this year where they've actually had to go and replaced the roof on their house that has been 16 years old that had nothing wrong with it, because their insurance company made this change on the policy. Their insurance company actually dropped them. They wouldn't even go down to actual cash value. They dropped them. And rather than going to a different insurance company, they just paid to get a new roof put on. They had to have that insurance coverage on it because of the mortgage that was on there. And your mortgage requires that full coverage on your house. Now, I've also had a client, we're going through an HOA or a condo association. They did not make the adjustments necessary with the HOA or the condo association, condo owner association, to properly take care of their owners. And in the process of doing this, when the insurance company made their policy change this year, they actually changed all the roofs to actual cash value or actual cost value, which underwriters flat out will not tolerate, especially for an FHA on there. So the buyer missed out because that changeover in policies literally happened while we were under contract. And the underwriters got the new policy and they said, nope, not doing it. And there was no way that condo owner association was going to be able to change that in time. They've caused lots of problems for all of their owners in there whenever they want to sell. And it's something that will be fixed, but it will take time as well. So that's why this is important. When you're looking at a house as well, it's also extremely important. Find out what the age of the roof is. And when you're talking to your insurance companies, you need to be upfront with them and talk to them about, hey, I've got a roof that's over 10 years old. It's composite shingle or it's asphalt shingle. Is this going to be a problem on here? Do we need to look at possibly having to get a new roof? Are we going to be able to do this and working with them and the lender to make sure you've got everything lined up and it's done correctly, so that when you buy that house, you're not suddenly finding out when the adjuster decides to look at your file, oh, you're going to need a new roof, otherwise we're not going to insure you. And then you're scrambling to find insurance after you close. That is not a good time to find that out. So I hope you found this information extremely helpful. And if you guys have any questions, please ask. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Guys, I really hope that you enjoyed that video. And once again, before you sign off, make sure you hit that subscription button and notification bell down below. That will keep you updated on all the new videos that we have come out that are here to inform you and help keep you updated on what's happening here, both in the community and in real estate as well. And once again, too, if you've got any questions, please do not hesitate to give us a call, 719-266-2725. You can text us at that number as well, or you can email us at info@jdmret.net, and we will get back to you as quickly as possible to answer all of those questions. We're here to serve you, and we look forward to helping you soon.